Hey YouTube, so in today's episode we are fabricating some brush guards for my headlights here. And I'll show you how I'm going to do it. If you're interested, let's go have some fun. But before we do that, this is what I made for my 4Runner. This is how she looks like. And I really enjoyed making it. After I fabricated this set of brush guard, I really liked it. And so I decided, hey, why not? Let's add a pair for Tundra. That's what we're doing, guys. Let's have some fun. So how I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna measure the length of the guard here like that, and it's gonna be a guesstimation. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna guesstimate that it's gonna start from here. It's gonna go here, so from here to here it will be about 31 inches. Then it's gonna curve down to about total 45 inches. So overall it's 45 inches, but I'm gonna be a little bit cautious. My philosophy is it's better to go a little bit long and cut to fit than make it too short and there's nothing else you can do about it. So I'm gonna go 4 feet, 4.5 feet. Okay, so I got my DOM 2 here. It's 1 3/4 wide, so it's perfect for this application. I also use it for rock sliders. So I've measured the tube here, and I'm gonna cut this part right here, and then after that I'm gonna bend them. Okay, so put this to 110. I went over 3 degrees because once I let this go, it's gonna go back 3 degrees, back to 110 degrees. So as you can see how this is really beyond 90 degrees. So let's back this up and watch. I'm gonna back this here, and it's gonna go back automatically. There we go. Okay guys, so this is 110 degrees. Basically this thing's gonna go this way, and where I mark right here, it's gonna come down. So I'm gonna bend this part down a little bit this way. Okay, so they are bent. This has been 110 degrees. That's bent 20 degrees. And it's gonna be sitting right. Okay, so this is just mocked up. It's just leaning onto the truck right there, so it doesn't look like it doesn't look pretty. But tomorrow when I start to grind and fit, should look very nice. You can see here, comes all the way like this. And like this. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to do. I got this bent all out of shape. Okay, so then this right here is going to go right here like that. So this thing can come out straight out, this can come straight out. Okay, I can do it like this, but I don't like it like that. So I like it like this a little bit more. Alright, to make room for the headlight. So I'm going to tack this, I'm going to tack that, then I'm going to do the other side. Alright. Okay, she is done. This is how she looks like. Sorry it's late at night. Got home late, so it is what it is. looks like. I'm gonna paint it right now. Let it sit off.